In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new corporate user and provision their mailbox in the Google Admin Console. To get started, open the Google Admin Console dashboard in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in with an administrator account that has permission to manage users in your organization. This is the central place where you control accounts, services, and access. So once you're on the dashboard, you're in the right place to create a new employee profile. From the Admin Console home screen, go to Directory and then select Users. This section shows all the user accounts currently active in your organization. Once you're there, click Add New User. This opens the user creation form where you'll enter the key details needed to set up the account. Taking a moment here to confirm you're in the correct section can help prevent creating the account in the wrong area or missing required fields. Now enter the employee's first name, last name, and primary username. The primary username will typically become the person's company email address, so it's important to enter it carefully and follow your organization's naming convention. For example, some companies use a first name and last name format, while others may use first initial and last name. Consistency here makes account management much easier over time and helps avoid confusion for both administrators and employees. Next, assign a temporary login password for the new corporate user. This password is only meant to help the employee access the account for the first time, so it should be something secure but easy to communicate through your organization's approved internal process. Be careful when handling temporary credentials and always make sure you're sharing them in a safe and appropriate way according to company policy. Once everything has been entered and reviewed, click Add New User. As soon as you do that, Google will instantly provision the new account and create the mailbox associated with that user. At this point, the employee's account is ready to be used for email and other Google Workspace services included with your organization's setup. That's all it takes to create a new corporate user in the